Let's go. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name. Oh, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous. I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up.
Disclaimer, itong video na inyong mapapanood ay isang gabay lamang na nagmula sa mga sinaunang paniniwala. Maayos na pagkukondisyon, good pointing at tamang diskarte pa rin ang nagsisilbing susi tungo sa tagumpay. At heto na mga kasinyal, ang gabay mula sa sinauna o matandang paniniwala base sa petsa sa ating kalendaryo. Ang mga malas o mahihina na kulay ngayong April 30 ay ang mga sumusunod.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity.
So ayan mga kasinyal, natapos na naman ang ating tampok na video sa araw na ito. Sa susunod na video mga kasinyal, abangan nyo sapagkat itatampok naman natin so mga kasinyal, abangan nyo yan. At kung bago ka palang napadpad sa ating munting channel kasinyal at gusto mo ng ganitong topic o uri ng usapan, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also click the notification bell para update ka sa mga videos na aking ini-upload. So mga kasinyal, once again, I'm Franskil Vlog, signing off. Thank you so much for watching.
Hey guys, do you like the video? If yes, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video, it really means a lot to me. Thank you.